Okay, let's give you guys some practice. So work out this purple area here. Work out this purple area here. All that you're given is that the radius of this circle is r, and the height here is b. So work out this purple area, and you have to express the answer in terms of r and in terms of b. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so to do this here, the trick is to cut out like this. So if you're told that the radius of the circle is r, that means this distance here is r, this distance here is r, this distance here is r. So that would mean that this distance here is also r. It's the radius of the circle. So the trick to finding out the purple area would be for us to work out a way of finding out this area of this triangle first. So so what we've got here is well, don't forget the length is r. So what we've got here is like this. The height, this height here is b. So this is b, and the radius of the circle is r. So that means this is also r. Now we can use Pythagoras to work out this length here. So once we've worked out this length here, we can get b times this length and then divided by 2. That will then give us the area of this triangle here. Okay, and then the next step would be for us to find out the area of this slice of pizza, if you like. Okay, so if I were to give you this here, hang on. If I were to give you a circle of radius r, and this is, let's say, 21 degrees, how would you work out this area here? Well, the way to working out this area here would be for us to work out the area of the full circle. So we would pi r squared. That will then give us the area of the full circle here. And once we've got the area of the full circle, we would then divide it by 360. We would then, once we pi r square it, that would give us the area of the full circle. And then we would have to cut up into 360 equal pieces. So that's us dividing by 360. So what I'm trying to say is work out the area of the full circle and then cut up into 360 equal pieces. So you've got 360 equal pieces, and then in this case here we've got 21 degrees here, so we would get 21 pieces. So let's just suppose this is 21 degrees here. To work out this area here, we would pi r square it. Pi r squared, that will then give us the area of the full circle. Cut up into 360 equal pieces and then get 21 pieces. Then this thing here would represent this area here. Okay, so let's start again. To work out this area here, we would cut out like this and concentrate on finding out this area. Okay, so that area would be given by this. So this triangle here is this triangle here. So we would need to work out the area of this triangle. So using Pythagoras now, it would be r squared equals b squared plus x squared. We want to know this x. We want to know this x here. So we would take away b squared from both sides. So take away b squared from both sides. That will then give us this, and then square root both sides. So that would give us r squared minus b squared. This here is our length here. Okay, so we would need to get b. So b is like one block, and this here is another block here. So we would get b. We would get b as being one block, and then timesing this block here. Then we got to times it with the square root of r squared minus b squared. This here. So b here, b times this, which is this here, that will then give us if you get the height times the width here, that will then give you the rectangle. But then we've got to divide it by 2 to get the triangle. So the area of this triangle is given by this. Okay, so the area of this triangle is given by this. So now we need to find out the area of this pizza here. Okay, we need to find out the area of this pizza here. So now visualize this bit here. Visualize this bit here as this. Okay, so you've got a a triangle here. So visualize this thing here. So look at this triangle here. Look at this triangle here. So the radius of the hypotenuse here is r, and this here is b, because if this here is b, if the height here is b, then the height here is also b. The point is that look at this triangle here. That would then give you that would then be this triangle here. Well, the height is b, the hypotenuse here is r. We need to find a way of finding out this angle here. So use trigonometry. Sine theta equals b divided by r, and then we would inverse sine equally to both sides. That would then give us theta. So theta equals this. So now we know the angle. Now the angle there is given by this block here. So consider this block here as being the angle. So once you've got the angle, hang on, let's go back to here. Once you've got this angle here, then you can work out the area of this pizza here. Okay, so hang on. So now we know the angle. The angle is given by this, whatever this may be. So now the area of the pizza would be pi r squared. That would then give us the whole circle. Cut it up into 360. Cut up into 360 equal pieces, and then get this many pieces here. So now you've got this thing times this thing here. You're timesing a fraction, so it will get multiplied to the top. So that will then give you this. So you can imagine this as being like one block multiplying another block here. Okay, so who cares what this block may be? It may look complicated, but it's just an angle. It's just an angle. So so the area of the pizza is given by this whole thing here. Okay, so basically the area of the pizza is you getting the whole circle cut up into 360 equal pieces, and then times the angle, and then this here gets multiplied to the top. That will then give you this. Okay, so overall the whole area here is given by the triangle plus the pizza. So the whole area is given by the triangle plus the pizza. Well, earlier we worked out the area of the triangle is given by this. The area of the pizza is given by this. So now the whole area is given by this whole thing here. Okay.